Hello guys, welcome back to Chiro Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to enable dark mode in Snapchat. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is the usual method which most probably used to try is they just go to settings and click on display adapters and change over here to dark, and they think this is the method which usually happens, and they think this is going to make their Snapchat dark mode, but it's not making. That's what I wanted to say, guys. So this is a failed method. So we're going to show you how you can change that. Maybe this can make your system completely device dark, but it won't make Snapchat. So let us go back to the light itself. And now just follow the instruction which I'm going to give you to make your Snapchat in dark mode. So you just have to go back to settings and just have to scroll down a little bit, and you have to click on accessibility. This you just have to go back and click on accessibility. There is accessibility, and from here you just have to click on display and text size. Okay, from here there is a option which is called smart invert. So you just have to click on that, enable this. And now let's go back to the snap. Let me go back to the snap. And now let me click over there, and this is black, right? As you can see, this is completely black, and this is how it looks like, and this is what it's all about it. And I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and it's very simple. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notifications. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.